This is a review of the Ailofy Floor Lamp. Now this is not your mama's floor lamp. This is a very unique and special one, and the brand did send me a free one so I can check it out today. So I wanted to show you some of the unique and colorful features of this floor lamp. Now the first thing you're gonna notice about this floor lamp is it's got several different colors. In fact, 16 million different colors. It's got over 30 different scenes, which you're gonna use this app to control. Now you simply press on the one you want here and it's gonna change it up, and I'm gonna demonstrate real quick some of them here. Now the first one is Carnival, and then you got quickly here Cosmic, Glacier, Lake, Pink Bubbles, Blossoms, Vibrance, Aurora, Tulip, Grassland, Romantic. Now if you want a night light, you're gonna press the button here. There's a little night light for you while other people are sleeping. This one's called the Reading Light. There's Sunlight and several others. I'm gonna scroll down here. That's where you're gonna find the dynamic scenes. So let's check those out. You got Spookle, Mystic, Verdant, Eggscape. Now this is an Easter one. Got this one called Mother's Day. You got Thanksgiving. This one's called New Rosh. This one is Stardust. There you go. You can enjoy Stardust. Movie Night is what this one's called. This one is Greenery. Then you got this cool one here called Flame. Serendipity. This one's called Sunset. This one's called Christmas. That's right, Christmas is included. This one is Halloween one. Then you got this Ripple, Dream World, and several others. It does have 1500 lumens, so it's super bright. It is a very stylish and elegant design, so you can put it in your bedroom, your living room, your recording studio. Now the other nice thing about it is it does have a music mode. What that means is it's gonna dance to the beat of your music. Now you can choose between 4 different options with the music mode. You got this one called Hopping. This one is called Ambilight. This one is called Breathing. And finally, the last one's called Twinkle. It does also have smart voice controls with Alexa or Google Assistant. It's easy to build, it's well built, and I would highly recommend this for anyone who wants a floor lamp for any room in their house that can use some festivity.